Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong December love reading. So if you are interested in your love life ngayong December, maaari kayong maka-resonate dito. But of course, this is just a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ng ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. So for you Capricorn, ito yung inyong bracelet na nag-a-align sa energies ng mga Capricorn. So perfect pang regalo, pwede rin to for personal use. So naka 20% discount tayo hanggang December 20. Okay, so let's begin Capricorn. What's up? What's up sa inyong love life ngayong December? December love life for Capricorn. You have judgment. Okay. Major change in your life. I think meron kang inaayos sa sarili mo, no? You make sure na yung effort na binibigay mo sa relationship mo ay na ibabalik sa iyo. Oo. Let's see what else. You have the 5 of Swords. You have the Tower. Oh my God. So, may Judgment, tapos may the Tower, may 5 of Swords. Alam nyo, Capricorn, meron kayong realization, no? Merong ganap ngayong December na marirealize mo na meron kang karelasyon sa buhay mo. This can also mean a friendship or someone that is related sa'yo, closely related sa'yo, na hindi totoo yung intentions niya towards you, or someone who is parang very competitive sa'yo. Kasi sa relationship din may ganun na parang you compete with each other's success. So ano yan, pwedeng magkaroon ng struggle sa relationship. You have the Empress. Oh, yung iba sa inyo merong mabubuntis, makakabuntis. Pwedeng may baby rito, biglaan. So, sa mga view Capricorn, ito yung tipong kung kailan ka naging unsure sa isang relationship, saka naman merong magbabind sa inyo ng person na to. So, ano ba yun? So, pwedeng biglang makabuntis, biglang mabuntis, ganon. Parang yung mga on the rocks na relationship, tapos nag-iisip na maghiwalay, or naghiwalay na talaga, tapos eventually malalaman nung girl na buntis siya. Mga ganon. So, let's see what else. So, may Ace of Cups, tapos may Empress. So, this is definitely a baby. If this is not a baby, this can mean yung love mo para sa sarili mo. Okay? This is you loving yourself more. Kasi if you are dealing with someone na hindi talaga siya totoo sa'yo, no? Kumbaga the intentions are shady, no? Then, what's the purpose, no, of staying in this relationship? You have the 9 of Coins, Queen of Cups, Magician. So, with the 9 of Coins, it seems na this is about focusing on yourself, focusing on your creativity and productivity. Yung iba kasi sa inyo, pwedeng kayo yung mas nakakaangat sa relationship ninyo, mas successful, tapos the person that you are dealing with medyo na-insecure sa'yo. So, pwedeng yun yung nagiging reason ng problema ninyo. Oo. So, there's a lot of talents in this in you. There's a lot of talent in you na marami kang kayang gawin, and possible that the person that you're dealing with, kino-compare niya yung sarili niya sa'yo. Pero kung kayo ay you are supposed to be a partner, 'di ba? Partnership, no? It is supposedly a partnership. You have the King of Swords. Alam nyo, may trust issues na dito, no? For some of you Capricorn. Ito yung tipong you are staying in a relationship with someone pero hindi ka na fully trusting sa person that you are dealing with. Or pwedeng yung person mo, ano siya, hindi rin siya ganun ka nagtitiwala na sa relationship. Pwede ring may jealousy dito, pwedeng it's like being jealous of your success. May ganun may ganun sa relationship. Oh, new love. Wallflower. Yeah, it seems na meron ditong hindi masyadong napapansin ng partner niya. So, pwede ring magkaroon ng may pumasok sa eksena na bagong person na pwedeng maging reason para pagselosan. Pwede kasing ikaw mismo, you are exerting a lot of effort in improving yourself. So, it shows, nakikita ng iba yung improvement mo. And nakaka-gain ka ng mga admirers, ganyan. Kaya lang, the more na ini-improve mo yung sarili mo, the more na nagkakaroon ng insecurity yung the other person. So, mas nagiging competitive rin siya sa'yo. So, some of you are dealing with a partner na may kulay yung hair, feminine yung energy niya. I'm afraid you're going to meet someone else before I'm ready to be with you for good. Oh, no. So, yung iba, pwedeng may distance sa relationship ninyo. Hindi kayo masyadong nagkikita, nagkakasama. So, may insecurity. This situation is being caused by both of us. Look at your own role in this situation to help us change it. Naghahanapan na kayo ng responsibility sa relationship. We incarnated together to clear specific patterns from our ancestral bloodlines. So, whatever connection or relationship this is, posibleng karmic relationship siya na you are meant to be together to learn from each other. Na meron kayong kailangang matutunan sa isa't isa. Okay? But, I think, it's more of a practical relationship kesa sa emotional relationship. Okay? So, pag dumating na yung time na hindi na practical para sa inyo yung pagiging in this relationship, possible to na mauwi sa hiwalayan in the future. Okay? So, but of course, nasa sa inyo pa rin naman yan. No? Meron kayong free will. So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.